So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about gang stalkers, and then I'll go into a craft. Because now what they're trying to do is manipulate my videos. So I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. But for example, they knew I was doing all of the crafts that involve glue guns on jars, bottles. I've been doing that craft. I saw a wonderful YouTube video where a woman did it, and I just went crazy over it. So I've been doing those crafts. So the gang stalkers now want to give their idea. So they said it's their idea for me to put a snowman on a jar. Then it's their idea for me to draw a Christmas tree on a jar. So I wanted to tell you that that's another way that they want to manipulate me, but also take credit for my work, which actually happened to be somebody else's idea, which is a fabulous idea. But that's part of what I'm saying, that you can't be around people who don't want you to be your own self, that they feel that if they can manipulate everything about you. I can't be around those types of people. But I wanted to show you the idea anyway. So just with a glue gun, you can draw on a jar, put a flameless candle inside. It's a great, easy craft. It won't make the jar get hot. I also used this is from the Dollar Tree. It's a metallic marker on a jar so that once the glue dried, just color it in with the marker, and it gives it this gold color. So I hope you guys can see that. And here's another one that has this gold color. It's just a simple jar. And this is a jar that I just did in a video where I just put a tape measure around, marked off the spacing, because my mom was like, why don't you make evenly spaced lines? And usually my lines aren't evenly spaced because I just do it by eye. And so I marked it off at the bottom. You see where the mark is, and then just went with the glue around it. And I wanted it to look like a jug, so I put glue on the side with the glue gun so that it can kind of resemble a jug. So I wanted to tell you guys about that. So these are simple, easy crafts. Now I'm going to end this video and do a gang stalking video.